Hi, my name is Valerie Zarichny. I'm an occupational therapist and a national workshop presenter with Learning Without Tears. I have an idea for you to engage your 3rd through 5th grade students at home, or maybe in a virtual OT session if you need another idea. Who remembers making these? What did you call this? Some of us called it a fortune teller, some of us called it a cootie catcher, but chances are most of us made one of these in our past at some point, and maybe you need a refresher on how to instruct the children in your lives and how to make this. It's a really fun craft activity, and you can use it for some creative thinking and some writing as well. So let's see how they're made. You need to start with a perfect square. So cut your paper to a perfect square, it can be any size. This is how it's made. You take the corners of your square and you fold them into the center. Make sure that you push down on all of those edges really well and keep going with the other corners so that every corner goes into the center. When that's finished, you flip it over and do the same thing on the back. Every corner into the center. Maybe put a dot in the center for some of your younger students, or if they need a little bit of help. Okay, got that part done. Almost finished. The back of that now has these 4 squares. You need to fold it so that the squares are on the outside. Fold it in one direction and then fold it again in the other direction. So I've got 4 squares. You're going to stick your fingers up into those little square pockets and do a little bend move there, and voila, there you have it, the cootie catcher or fortune teller. So what about ideas for what to put on your fortune teller? I have one here that is more of a traditional style with colors on the outside and numbers on the inside, and then the fortune under each number. So this is how it works. You have one person operating the fortune teller and the other person is the one making their choices. So let's pretend that I'm doing this with my student. So I would have my student give me a color. If they say red, I do R-E-D. And I open and close it however many letters are in that word. Then they're going to pick a number. If they pick number 5, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they're going to pick another number. This time, the number they pick, let's say they pick number 8. I'm going to look under number 8, and I have written a fortune or a task on that little flap. And that one says, show me a dance move. So you don't have to do it with fortunes. You can have exercises or activity ideas or writing prompts. There's all kinds of ways that you can incorporate different tasks into this fortune teller and have your kids make their own. Have them make a fortune teller with activities and exercises. Have them make one with acts of kindness that they can do for family members or for friends. The opportunities are endless. There are great ideas all over the internet for these as well. But have fun with this and just have a stack of square pieces of paper. Once they know the format, then they can come up with their own methods. I like to also challenge students to make little tiny ones. I've seen some cute ideas where you can make them into sharks, and you can have a whole shark family. Who knows the baby shark phenomenon right now? So you could have grandpa shark and baby shark and daddy shark and have a whole bunch of different sizes and decorate them for another idea using your fortune tellers. So have fun with this. Show us some pictures of what you made, and I hope that you have fun with your students.